Welcome to HUAYANG's LSAW workshop. We produce steel pipes with diameters ranging from 406 millimeters to 1,422 millimeters, catering to the needs of large-scale engineering projects. With wall thicknesses ranging from 8 to 50 millimeters, they can withstand the demanding conditions of high-pressure pipelines. Welding quality is consistent, with every meter in full compliance with standards. Non-destructive testing ensures that no defects are missed in the welds. Diameter, straightness, and roundness are all precisely measured to ensure smooth construction. Automatic marking for a unique identity and fully traceable pipeline production. HUAYANG LSAW pipes are widely used in global oil, gas, and infrastructure projects. Certified to American, European, and Russian standards, exported to over 100 countries. LSAW pipes, robust, reliable, trusted worldwide, engineered for the world.